Looking for a no-fuss dessert that's creamy, fruity, and irresistibly delicious? This no-bake blueberry cheesecake is the perfect answer. No oven needed, just a few simple steps to create a show-stopping, mouth-watering treat. Ready to wow your taste buds? Let's get started. Here are your ingredients. First, prepare the crust. Microwave the butter for 1 minute until melted. With the butter melted, let's crush the graham crackers. Use a food processor for fine crumbs or place them in a sealed bag and roll with a pin. Both methods work perfectly for this crust. Add the melted butter to the crushed graham crackers and start mixing. Stir everything together until the butter is evenly distributed and the mixture feels like wet sand. Now, transfer the graham mixture to your 6-inch springform pan. Spread it out evenly, making sure to cover the base. Use the back of a spoon or a flat-bottomed glass to press it down firmly. For a neater finish, press the mixture gently up the sides of the pan to create an even crust all around. Take your time to ensure it's smooth and well-packed. This step helps your cheesecake hold its shape beautifully. Place the crust in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes to set. Now, let's make the blueberry sauce. To make the blueberry topping, add the blueberries, sugar, and lemon juice to a saucepan. Cook over medium heat, stirring occasionally for about 5 to 7 minutes. The berries will release their juices and the mixture will thicken, creating a delicious, glossy sauce. For a thicker topping, dissolve a bit of cornstarch in water and stir it into the blueberry mixture. Let it cook for an extra 1 to 2 minutes until it thickens to your desired consistency. Remove the blueberry topping from heat and let it cool to room temperature. Let's make the cheesecake filling. Whip the heavy cream with an electric mixer for 2 to 3 minutes until stiff peaks form. In a separate bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until it becomes smooth and creamy. Next, add the powdered sugar to the cream cheese. Mix it in well until everything is smooth and well combined, ensuring there are no lumps for a silky texture. Add the vanilla extract and mix it in until fully incorporated. Finally, add the lemon juice to the cream cheese mixture and mix until fully combined, giving it a fresh, tangy flavor. Now, it's time to assemble the cheesecake. Pour the smooth cream cheese mixture over the chilled graham cracker crust. Use a spatula to spread it evenly. Spoon the blueberry filling onto the first layer of cream cheese, filling in lines or dollops as shown. Use a bamboo skewer to gently swirl the filling into the cream cheese layer, creating a simple marbled design in the center of the cheesecake. Add another layer of the cream cheese mixture on top of the blueberry filling. Use a spatula to smooth it out evenly, making sure the layers are well balanced and the surface is perfectly flat for a polished look. Chill the cheesecake in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight to set. After the cheesecake has fully set, carefully pour the blueberry sauce over the top. Spread it evenly across the surface to create a beautiful, smooth layer that complements the creamy texture beneath. You may also chill the cheesecake for 30 minutes to 1 hour to help firm up the topping. And there you have it, your creamy, no-bake blueberry cheesecake is ready to enjoy. Just look at that smooth, luscious slice. The perfect balance of tangy blueberry and rich cream cheese. Slice it up, take a bite, and savor the deliciousness. Find the full recipe at elleskitchenlife.com. Link in the description below. Thank you for watching. If this no-bake blueberry cheesecake made your day sweeter, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more effortless dessert recipes. Stay tuned for more simple and delicious treats. See you in the next video, and as always, happy no-baking!